Hey guys, look where we're at. We're at Buc-ee's in Daytona Beach today. Let's go inside and see what they have. Okay, we are inside and you guys can see this is like a big giant store. Costa's here. Oakley's. All kinds of clothes. All kinds of shoes, flip-flops. Let's go look at the flip-flops and the bedroom shoes, guys. Okay, these are super cute with Buc-ee on there, $17.99. We got white, red, and plaid. A big selection of reef flip-flops and shoes. We got some camo going on here. We got a whole area in the back with barbecue supplies, coolers, all kinds of stuff, guys. We've got a solar packs. We got knives. We got fans. We got bird feeders. Here's a Yukon cooler, $279. Here's a Pelican cooler, $69.95. Here's a look at some of the other things. You can see they've got some book bags here. They have a whole toy section here, guys, with all kinds of little toys you can get on your road trip. Here are some trucks and trailers. You got some ranch little toy here. Okay, here's some cute Buc-ee little knickknacks. You got your coffee mugs. You got your car coasters. You've got your tea towel, a garden flag, some little car air fresheners. You got a beverage dispenser down here. We've got some cowboy hats. We've got your leather belt buckles. They even have a whole section with books. These are books for your little ones. Something to do in the car. Okay, here's some fun stuff with sweatshirts, t-shirts, beach towels. All say Buc-ee's on them. Okay, ladies, they have your matching sets here with the sweatshirts, the jackets, the matching pants. Beautiful. You can see the assortment of different t-shirts here. Black, red, pajama bottoms. For the little babies in your family, they have all the cute baby gear. Pink, blue, red. Very cute, guys. I love the one with the little feet, the slippers with his face. So cute. Look at that, guys. That's $12.98 for a newborn. Look at this little guy. I love him so much. Oh man. Okay. That's adorable. $11.98 for him, guys. They got your beaver nuggets. They got your little onesie. Oh my goodness. All the glasses and mugs you can think of. Here's a dancing Buc-ee. Should we try him out? Let's see. Press the logo. Oh yeah. So cute. Okay, if you've never been in a Buc-ee's, they have a ginormous food section with beef jerky, fudge, brisket, banana pudding, all kinds of cookies. Here's this cute little car they have with all the little Buc-ee toys. Okay, here's Buc-ee driving the car. There's another giant stuffed Buc-ee up there. You guys can see how big it is. This is just one side so far. Okay, the other side of the store has more gifts that are not Buc-ee branded. So they have normal clothing that are still very adorable, like this rodeo set here. They have all kinds of different clothes. There's a dinosaur little set. They have the brand Southern Attitude, and you can see some of the shirts. I do a thing called What I Want. I need that for sure, guys. It's very busy and loud in here. I apologize if you can't hear me too good. They have jewelry. They have leather goods. Socks. Jackets, hats, purses. It's like a Western store on this side, honestly. Coats. Club Social is the brand of coats right here. Very cute. They have your bog bag. Okay, they have a whole makeup section and all kinds of bathroom supplies. They have a little travel section. Guys, they have press-on nails. Look at this. It's awesome. There's a 3-piece spa set, little travel bags. Okay, now I found the home decor section where they have hand towels, all kinds of decorations. They have mats for your front door, flags for your garden. There's a look at the jerky station over there. You guys can see how big it is. Okay, here's some more home decor. Lots of cows and rooster items. Very pretty items here. Honey. They have a whole section with fresh food. You can get chicken and french fries. They have a bakery. Huge bathroom area. There are some cast iron supplies here. Lots of different mugs. Chickens, horses, cows, flowers. I love this hand towel right here. Look at that. Why y'all trying to test the Jesus in me? That's amazing. Okay, here's a whole section of just popcorn and Buc-ee nuggies, beaver nuggets, Tip Top popcorn, kettle corn. Okay, I'll stop the video here and show you where you can get your convenience food for your trip. They have cold items, potato chips, anything you can think of. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more, and let me know what you like to look for at Buc-ee's. Have a good Christmas.